Hi friends, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'm sharing to you the details of how to easily refill HP 150A or W1500A.
This channel is based on the printer information and many videos have already been uploaded about the latest printer unboxing and printer features. But recently we also started uploading videos of refill cartridges or toner cartridges. We always share with you an easy way to refill toner cartridge and ink cartridges of different brands from your home. Many people refill by making a hole in the toner, but in this video I will show you how to easily refill without hole. First, prepare your workspace. Place paper towels or newspapers on a flat surface to protect your workspace in case you spill toner powder. Put on rubber gloves if you want to make sure you do not get powder on your hands. Remove this clip carefully. After then, slightly slide to both sides. Learn how to add toner to your cartridge to help save your money. Toner powders is defined by grain size, chemical construction and weight. That is exactly why only the compatible type of toner powder will work with your cartridge. There are several types of toner, but not separate ones for every single printer model. Most differ on features, not basic technology. In a pinch, a toner from a very similar model of printer will probably also work, but research or ask first. Remove both screws from wiper blade, then remove the wiper blade to clean the waste tank. Okay, remove the screws from wiper blade. After then remove wiper blade with flat screwdriver like this. After then clean wiper blade with soft tissue paper or cotton cloth. Remove the waste powder from waste tank. After then clean with tissue or cotton cloth. Replace the wiper blade on the correct place and tight with both screws. Next, clean the primary charge roller and replace the correct position. Next, clean the OPC drum. Also replace the correct position. Please note as well that you should not touch the photoconductor drum in no case or expose it to direct sunlight. This could lead to faulty printouts. All cleaning process are completed. Okay, next let's see how to refill the toner cartridge. First, remove this screw from this side. Okay, remove the screw. Now we need to remove this clip. So first you can press with finger this magnetic roll. After then remove the clip. Okay, like this. Press on with left hand finger. Okay, now remove it. Next, remove the magnetic roll. After one or two refills, we recommend that you empty the waste toner container because otherwise a perfect printing quality cannot be guaranteed. In this powder container can fill 80 grams of toner powder. Refill toner and toner powder may cause serious health problems if not handled carefully. We recommend always using breathing protection while refilling toner cartridges. Furthermore, toner powder and refill toner can be highly flammable with an appropriate oxygen mixture. After filling the 80-gram toner powder to container, this magnetic roll is replaced as before. After then, press on magnetic roll, replace the clip on correct position. After the replacing magnetic roll and clip, rotate magnetic roll to both sides manually. If this magnetic roll does not turn, the roll is not properly placed. So check again and place it properly. If it rotates smoothly, go to next step. After then, shake the cartridge lightly from side to side, holding horizontally to ensure even distribution of the toner powder. After then, combine the both parts together. Everything is replaced now. But how to know toner is ready to use or not? In the last step, the OPC drum rotates to both sides manually. If this drum does not turn, the drum is not properly placed. So check again and place it properly. If rotate the drum smoothly, this mission is successfully completed, and reinstall the cartridge in your printer. This video winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.